How to log in into Sweet Wallet account. First of all, you have to download the application if you have not already. So, download the Sweet Wallet application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have downloaded the application, now launch the Sweet Wallet app on your mobile device. Here, if you have created your account using your Google account, you can continue with Google. If not, tap on Other Methods button. Now, you will be taken into this page where you can log in using your username or your secure phrase or any private key if you have access to one of that. So if you want to log in using your Sweetcoin username, tap on it and provide your username. If not, if you have the secret phrase, you can use that in order to log into your account. Tap on secret phrase, type in your phrase. Or if you want to log in using your private key, tap on private key and enter your private key. If not, you can always continue with your Google account or your Apple account. After that, on the next page, if prompted, enter your password or select the sign in with Sweetcoin option. And if two-factor authentication is enabled in your account, you will receive a code via email, text, or authenticator application. Enter the code to complete the login process. Once verified, you will be directed to your wallet dashboard to manage your Sweetcoins transaction or your crypto assets. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.